The Great Clean-up.
Hey, it's the Great Clean-up tomorrow. What's that? Well, there's a lot of rubbish in the forest and by the river. So, we go there and clean it up.
The next day.
Wow, this forest is beautiful. But look at the river. It's so dirty. Yes, come on.
Okay, first put the gloves on and pick up the rubbish. Put wood and cans in the biggest bags.
This is more difficult than flying.
It's okay, Bo. You don't need gloves. Hey, Bo, can you help me with this? No, Bo. The wood is wider than the bag.
No problem. Now the bag is wider than the wood.
Hey, can you help me? These bags are very big, and the mud is deeper than my shoes. Be careful. Yuck! I'm all wet. Look at all these cans and CDs and bottles. Why do people throw them in the river? Hey, why don't we use some of this for our shed? Great idea! I know what we can do.
Okay, so now we are going to watch the same story, but now we are also going to read.
The Great Clean-up.
Hey, it's the Great Clean-up tomorrow. What's that? Well, there's a lot of rubbish in the forest and by the river. So, we go there and clean it up.
The next day.
Wow, this forest is beautiful. But look at the river. It's so dirty. Yes, come on.
Okay, first put the gloves on and pick up the rubbish. Put wood and cans in the biggest bags.
This is more difficult than flying.
It's okay, Bo. You don't need gloves. Hey, Bo, can you help me with this? No, Bo. The wood is wider than the bag.
No problem. Now the bag is wider than the wood.
Hey, can you help me? These bags are very big, and the mud is deeper than my shoes. Be careful. Yuck! I'm all wet. Look at all these cans and CDs and bottles. Why do people throw them in the river? Hey, why don't we use some of this for our shed? Great idea! I know what we can do.
Okay, what are the children doing in the river? What are they doing? ¿Qué están haciendo en el río? They are cleaning it. Yes, they are cleaning the river. And what do they find or what do they take out? ¿Qué encuentran? ¿Qué sacan? Yes, rubbish. Rubbish. What is rubbish? Rubbish is basura. So the children are taking rubbish out of the river. That's a good idea.